It is MT5 tutorial for beginners and you will learn how to use MT5 on PC. Without wasting any time, let's begin. You know, MT5 is not a big complex application, but if you are not familiar with it, you are new to use this application, then it may be a big problem for you. So let's move to my screen. Here, first of all, you need to download the MT5 and install in your laptop. To download, I will write MetaTrader 5 download for PC. And they have their own official website. Here you may see some ads, but you need to go here, the metatrader5.com on this domain and click on it. Once you click on this, you will see multiple options to download. You can download for your MacBook, Linux, or any other platform. But right now, I will be downloading it for Windows. When I click on it, the download is simply starting. I click here and it will be open as soon as it is completed. Open file, it will ask some permission, and yes, here is the MT5 installer. You simply need to click on the next. The MT5 is installing right now on your PC. It may take some time, and now the installation process is completed. When you click on the finish, the MT5 will be opened automatically. Here on the browser, it will open its own website from where you can download the boards and many things, indicators, and you can also learn how to develop MT4 and MT5 boards. But now we are not focusing on it, and we are purely focused on how to use the MT5 on our PCs. Once you have installed the MetaTrader 5 on your PC, you will see the interface something like this, and maybe you may see some different interface because I are already working on this MetaTrader 5. Here, first of all, I will close all these tabs and let's suppose there is nothing on this MetaTrader 5 application. And now I have closed everything in the MT5 application. On the top, you will see the file menu, and in this you will see new chart. If you want to open any new chart, you can simply click on any pair, but your desired pair is not here. I will explain you later in this. On the next option is open deleted. Here are the deleted charts which are deleted by me or before few minutes. And here is the profile. The profile is like the structure of this MT5, the interface of this MT5. So right now we are not focusing on the profile. Here's the open data folder. We will discover this folder in the next upcoming videos. This folder is used to place the indicator and the reports inside the MetaTrader 5. And next one is the print setup. Open an account, deposit, withdraw, login to trade account. Here you can select the language, and this is available in all these languages here. And the next one, color theme is system, light, and dark. And the toolbox, all are checked. The status bar, chart bar, symbols, and depth of market. This option is related to open trades based on the most highs and lows of the market. And here is the market watch. This is the most important window for you to see all the pairs. And if you see here nothing, let's suppose I right click and hide all. Here is nothing. You simply click here and write like XAU USD, and this is the gold. You can add more pair EU or USD, and your USD is added. If you want to see all the pairs, you can simply here show all, and here you will see the list of all available pairs. But right now I will be focusing on just one pair, which is XAU USD gold. And as you know, here you can see all the assets on which you can trade, and these assets are from the broker. If you have not opened any broker account till now, you can go to the description of this video. I have recorded a detailed video how to open a new MT5 account with the broker to log in this MT5 application, and then you can start the trading. In the start, we will open demo account for testing purpose, for learning purpose, and then we will move to the real money. And here the next option is the navigator, which is important to us. You simply need to log into your account by clicking right click here and open an account. Once you open an account, you need to search for the Do Technology Singapore, the same name as you see in this video. And once you write the name, click on this and then next. Once you click on the next, you need to log into account. And I hope so you already know how to log in the account. Here is the indicator. You can see all the indicators here, and the next one is the expert advisor. All expert advisors here, and the scripts are here, and all these. We will use these options in the upcoming videos and some options in this video. The next important box or the next important window is the toolbox. In the toolbox, you can see how much balance is in your account, how much is equity, how much is the margin, free margin, how many number of trades are running, how many number of trades are closed. Here you can see the trade, the history, and there are a lot of off. And for now, I'm just going to give you an introduction of the interface. To open a chart in the MT5, you simply right click on the symbol, any symbol you want to open the chart, and click chart window. You will see a window here. Simply double click here and it will be on all the screen. You can right click on it and you can adjust the settings of these charts. So for right now, I'm just going to off the grid, and from here on the top you can change the time frame. Here you can select the M30, H1, any time frame. Okay, if you want to modify these settings, here you see few dots, so right click on them and then customize. You can adjust these settings, and in the same way you can right click here on these dots and customize these few indicators and few these tools. And the same thing you can do here, the custom, and adjust these options, what options are visible and what options are not visible. And these are the open, high, low, close of the candle where the cursor is right now. If the cursor is moving, the values are changing time to time as I am moving the cursor. To open trade, you simply need to move here, show trade panel, or click on it and it will be open. From here you can adjust the lot size. For now I'm going to select the minimum lot size 0.01 and I can open buy or sell trade. So for the first time when you click on it, you will see this kind of window, and here you need to accept, yes, I am accepting the terms and conditions for the one click trading. Press OK. Let's suppose I click on buy button but it is not opening any trade. To check the problem, you can simply go here and see the journal, and from journal you will see the market is closed. Okay, that's why it is not able to open a trade. Here market buy with 0.01 gold, but it's failed. Okay, so from here you can see the errors, and if you see any error you can right click on it and here select copy. After copy, go to the Google and paste, and you can search for the solution of the problem, or you can let me know your problem in the comment section and I will do my best to give you answers as soon as possible. These are some important things to know to start trading in the MetaTrader 5 on PC. I hope you learn well. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.